This video goes through the 3 ways you can wire up a Navigator fitting: side entry, conduit entry or rear entry. This applies to the oval collection and some of the porthole collection. As standard, Navigators come with a side entry gland. Rear entry is where the cable enters through a hole in the back of the fitting. Unscrew the grid and remove the glass to open up the fitting. We'll now remove the lamp holder using a crosshead screwdriver. We'll now remove the side entry gland with a view to replacing it with the blocking off blank currently screwed into the back plate. We'll unscrew the blank and replace it with the rubber gland provided, pressing it down to make sure it is fitted firmly. This is where the cable will enter the fitting. Now we'll take the blank and screw it into where the side entry gland was, along with the plastic washer, tightening it with a spanner to ensure it's secured. We recommend using a qualified electrician to wire up your fitting and connect to mains electricity. Once the light is put back together, it's ready to be fitted. To fit the Navigators to a conduit system, we'll need a conduit adapter to match the Navigator fitting, link in the description. We'll remove the side gland and screw in the conduit adapter, tightening it with a spanner to ensure fit. Thank you for watching.